What I have here is the Jetboil MiniMo personal cooking system. Simply remove the lid. On the lid itself I've got a drink through and I've got a strainer as well. On the reverse side I've got a gas support stand. Simply pop that out, open up the legs. Inside the cooking pot I've got my gas cartridge, a 100g unit. This is sold separately. And I've also got the burner itself. Flip out the regulator and now I can screw in the gas cartridge. Make sure that's really secure, and now I can hook it up to the gas support stand. The cooking pot itself, I've got a cover. Simply remove the cover. The cover itself can be used as a measuring jug, with thanks to the measuring indicators on the side. And also I can use it as an eating bowl as well. Simply align the bottom of the cooking pot with the burner and then just make sure that's secured in place. And there I have my Jetboil MiniMo ready to use.
Thank you for watching this video. For more great content, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, or you can visit our website www.leisureoutlet.com. Thanks for watching.